Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you this 2020 Bennington 23 SSBXP, which is the premium edition swingback seating arrangement. It is a 23-foot boat with the tri-tune package, and we've got all the best features on this boat. It's got the new Monaco blue exterior color with the metallic silver accent stripe. Great color scheme, will really stand out on the water. It's a very vibrant blue. It's hard to see out today because it's so cloudy, but we're all out here making our videos. We got about 30 Benningtons in stock, some of the best selection in the upstate and in South Carolina. Hop on aboard, let me give you a little better look at the inside of this boat. This boat has the new silver Syntax pillow top upholstery upgrade with the graphite inlaid diamond pressed accent. It's got the tinted silver seagrass flooring. I love how they recess the speakers and the cup holders into the seat there. Great place to stuff your cell phone or your sunscreen or sunglasses. This boat has the elevated console with deluxe helm seat, Bluetooth kicker stereo, and a Garmin Striker 4. Of course, the cockpit table, a full 10-foot bimini top. All our boats come with a mooring cover. This is the swingback model, which I think is a really cool seating arrangement. So right now you have a nice L-shaped style seat all underneath the bimini. Then you can flip back this seat and you have a rear-facing lounger to give you a whole new perspective on boating. This boat is going to have a 200 horsepower Mercury engine on it, so it's going to be quite the performer. If you got any questions about this boat or want to see it in person, come on out to MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Ask for Scott, or give me a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.